How to pay for Hinge Dating App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can pay for the Hinge Dating App. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to pay for Hinge Dating App, first of all, launch the Hinge application. And there are different ways to pay it. One is that you can come to this little star icon, or you can come to this icon, or you can come to the heart icon in order to try to boost your profile. So you can just tap on the boost option over here, and you can see boost your profile for more views. You have get seen by 11 times more people for 1 hour. You can see 1 boost, 3 boost, or 5 boost depending upon which one you want, and just select the option called super boost or else. You can also come to the profile tab from the bottom right, tap on boost, select the boost that you want over here, and then fill in your payment methods such as adding or credit or debit card to your Google Pay or your Apple ID account. And then after you've done that, you'll be able to successfully pay for the Hinge Dating App. So here you can also see preferred members, so you can just go ahead and select a subscription that you like. Once you select a subscription that you like, you can simply go ahead and choose the option called add credit or debit card, and that's all it takes to go ahead and just simply pay for the Hinge Dating App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.